When did the earliest bows and arrows appear? Based on current archaeological discoveries, the earliest bows and arrows appeared approximately 70,000 to 80,000 years ago in Africa. However, this technology may have been independently invented multiple times in different periods and locations. Africa, the earliest clues. The earliest widely accepted evidence of archery comes from Africa. At Sabuta Cave in South Africa, archaeologists discovered stone arrowheads dating back 72,000 to 60,000 years. Some of these arrowheads even retain traces of ancient plant poisons, indicating that humans at that time had already mastered quite sophisticated hunting techniques. Additionally, at Obi Rakhmak Cave in Uzbekistan, Central Asia, stone flakes dating to approximately 80,000 years ago have been found that may have been used as arrowheads. Asia and Europe, compelling evidence. As research has progressed, compelling evidence for the existence of bows and arrows has also emerged in Asia and Europe. Asia, Sri Lanka at Fahian Lena Cave in Sri Lanka, bone arrowheads dating back 48,000 years have been discovered. This is the earliest and most definitive evidence of archery use outside of Africa, where ancient people used them to hunt agile monkeys or squirrels in the jungle. Europe, at Grotte Mandarin Cave in southern France, very small stone points dating back 54,000 years have been found. Archaeologists believe they are too light to be anything other than arrowheads. The oldest complete wooden bow in the world was discovered in the Holgard Bog in Denmark, made approximately 10,000 to 8,000 years ago. This indicates that by that era, bow-making technology was already quite mature. How to distinguish an arrow from a spear? You might be curious. How do archaeologists tell whether a pointed stick was an arrowhead or a spearhead? The key lies in size and impact damage patterns. Weight is critical. True prehistoric arrowheads are typically very small and light, only a few centimeters long and weighing just a few grams, because they need to be shot at high speed. If they were too heavy, they couldn't fly properly. Impact damage patterns. Under high-powered microscopes, archaeologists can observe distinctive fracture patterns on arrowheads caused by high-velocity impacts striking animal bone, which differ from the damage patterns left by thrown spears. In summary, the history of bows and arrows is far older than we might imagine. It was likely a flash of human ingenuity that was independently invented in different corners of the globe. The history of archery in China dates back approximately 30,000 years, with stone arrowheads discovered at the Jiyu site in Shuozhou, Shaanxi province, representing the earliest physical evidence of bows and arrows in the country.